Hey, what is up guys? John here at TechmoGo. Today I've got something different, but kind of the same. These are the Tozo T6 True Wireless Earbuds 2022 edition. Now you can pick these up on Amazon or from Tozo's website. I'll put some links in the description in case you want to check them out. Just a heads up, the Amazon links are affiliate links, so if you use the links, I'll get a small commission and you help support the channel at no additional cost. It's very much appreciated. Now in this video, we'll unbox these, check out its build quality, check out the features and specs, and I'll let you know what I think of them. So in front of the box, you've got a picture of the earbuds, some Tozo branding on the top, and on the bottom right, you've got the model, the T6. Now on the back, you've got some specs, you've got some Tozo branding up top. Beside that, you've got their socials, and on the bottom, you've got a barcode and a QR code. Now inside the box, you've got a user manual, some extra ear tips, the case, the earbuds, and the charging cable. Now the case is matte black and is made out of a hard plastic. The case feels solid. It feels a lot more durable compared to the Skullcandy Jib and the Soundcore A1s that I reviewed previously. As far as the size of the case, it's not bad. It's similar to the Apple AirPods and the Apple AirPod Pros, just a tad bigger. Now on the front of the case, you get 4 LED lights showing the battery life. Now the battery life on this is pretty good. You've got 6 hours on a single charge and an additional 24 hours using the case to charge, giving you a total of 30 hours of battery life. Now this case supports fast charging and can be charged within 2 hours. It also supports wireless charging, which is awesome because you rarely see it in this price point. As for the earbuds, they look great. They're sleek in design, and on the front, you got some LED indicator lights, and on the back, you have your charging pins and rubber ear tips. This design provides a nice snug fit, perfect for an active lifestyle. Plus they're IPX8 waterproof, so no problem getting these wet. Now let's pair this to my phone. Make sure you have Bluetooth turned on, have the case next to your phone, and take out one earbud. Your phone should see it momentarily. Once it sees it, hit connect and you're paired. Now anytime you want to use them, all you gotta do is put them in your ear and they'll automatically pair. The earbuds do not have physical buttons but use a touch sensor, which I think is awesome. So let's test out the controls. We'll start with the right. Touch and hold to increase volume. Tap once to play or pause music. And tap twice to skip forward. Tap 3 times to bring up Siri or Alexa. Now let's try the left. Touch and hold to decrease volume. Tap once to pause or play. Tap twice to skip back a track. And tap 3 times to bring up Siri or Alexa. So all that works. And finally, we have a pair of earbuds that let you skip forward and backwards a track. As for sound quality, I would say these are similar to AirPods in that they are good for a lot of music types, but a master at none. They have good overall sound and clarity. Now if you're into bass, these may not provide enough for you. Alright guys, before I forget, let's do a quick mic check. Hey, what is up guys? John here at TechmoGo doing a microphone check on the Tozo T6 2022 edition. Microphone check 1, 2, microphone check 1, 2. And let me know what you guys think in the comments, what the quality sounds like. Now for my final thoughts on these, I wish they had a low latency game mode, but for casual gaming, these are fine. Also, the controls I think are great having the touch sensors, but you gotta be careful as they're a little sensitive. But for under 40 bucks, I think they're a great buy. They provide a lot of bang for your buck. I mean, you get 35 hours of battery life, IPX8 water resistance, wireless charging, and they are sleek and compact in design. Overall, these are great. Now with all that said guys, if you found value in this video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at TechmoGo. I'll see you in the next one.